Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I got late from streaming the videos because I'm very tired and rest. I'm asleep. And let's pray from this affected the earthquake in the Philippines. So let's pray from this piece of this in these Philippines. We're here from this one. It is analyze of these games in US Championship 2025 or 2025 US Women's Chess Championship. So today is round number 5. So long game. So without long games or round robin. And also have a between from this beautiful woman grandmaster in USA, Jennifer Yu, my favorite players, versus the FIDE master in USA is Rose Atwell. So in this part of these videos here, you have analyzed of the standings after round number 5. So white plays U is d4, knight f6 rows, c4, e6 is Indian defense, knight f3, and also d5, and also knight c3, and also bishop e7 is followed by queen's gambit decline, 3 knights variation. So it means without preparing by castling by rows here. And also captured, and also bishop f4, and also c6, and also h3 without no more by bishop to g4 because the move targets this connecting the passed pawn, and also bishop f5 by Rose, and also pawn e3 by you, and also knight bd7 by Rose, so, but not yet ready by castling here, and also queen b3, queen b6 without queen to queen, and also g4 threats the bishop g6 backwards, and also bishop e2 by without upcoming by castling or castling queenside by you, and also castling by Rose, and also knight h4 by threatening the bishop, and bishop e4 without threats the rooks or without threats the knights. I wait. So it means bishop without threats the rooks. Sorry, I got this one wrong arrows. So it means a little wrong arrows. And also f3. Wait, wait. Oh, so it means I forgot something. So it means so bishop e2 novelty. So it means these are the old main lines here by recording bishop g2 or knight f d2. So it means old main lines. So sorry I forgot the novelty. So where's the novelty? So it means bishop e2 novelty by Jennifer Yu, and castling by Rose, and also knight h4 threats the bishop e4 attacks the rooks, and f3 without attacks the bishop, and knight h5 sacrifice the without knights by Rose here. So it means so sacrifice and decided by captured the captured sacrifice the knights, and bishop captured knight without check, and king d2 without no more by, so no need by castling here because these are the bishop the move side the kings here, and also bishop f5 without ignores by no more by threats here, and also decided queen takes accepted, pawn takes because these are the weak by pass pawn, so these are the double pawns. And also e4 without threats the pawns, so threats the pawns and bishop, and decided by captured, and also bishop e6, and h6 without attacks. So if you capture this pawn, so it means rook g1, kings without kings, check here, and also decided g6 by row, so no need by captured pawns, and a4. So these are a first mark rate pad move by you in this computer engine by this one by a4. So the best moves this one is d5. So d5. Sorry, I got wrong note. So it means d5 is the best moves if you capture this pawn and captured. So these are the slightly advantage from whites here. So back there, this one is a4 by u, and also f5 attacks the pawns, and decided d5 by Jennifer Yu without threats the pawns and bishop doubles here, and decided this one is bishop backwards f7, and also captured, and also b4. So what the plans by you? Move side by next move a5, and also captured but move. So the best moves there, this one is bishop to e7. So bishop e7 is a slightly better from blacks here. So slightly better. So back there, this one is captured pawns and rook hg1 check, and also king h8, and good move by Jennifer Yu is bishop b5 attacks the knights here, and also knight f6, and another great move by excellent is bishop e5. So what a great move by Jennifer Yu without pins the check or kings because the threats the knights here. So it means so king cannot move by this one because the rook. So it means without check. And also bishop g6. So it means without defense. So it means that's not one of this computer. Another bad move by Rose. So the best moves this one is rook g8 here. So rook g8, if you rook captured accepted and rook captured. So it means so etc etc. These are the good solutions from blacks here. So back there, this one is bishop g6 by Rose, and rook af1 without doubles the rooks, and also king g8, and also rook f4, and also rook fe8 without threats the bishop. Bishop captured. So it means without rooks, without sacrifice the rook. So it means so decided by you is bishop captured rook. One rook done by Rose. So it means so how many clocks within 6 minutes the Jennifer Yu, and 11 minutes by Rose. Almost lowest by very lowest by timers. And decided rook captured bishop, and also rook captured. So cannot capture the bishop captured rook without pins without check. So check this one. And also king f7 and rook backwards f4 without threats the bishop, and rook captured. So these are the three pieces knights here, or so these are the three two minor pieces here. So two minor pieces without rooks, double rooks here. So it means so these are the rooks, knights, and bishop. So three minor pieces here. And also decided this one is knight e4 check and knight captured, pawn takes. So these are the upcoming by e3 check. And also king e3 and rook d5 without upcoming by check. So rook d3 check here. And also rook f4 check, and also king e6, and also rook h4. So bad move by Jennifer Yu. So the guessing puzzle. So what do you think the forgot brilliant sacrifice by Jennifer Yu? So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. So the best moves is rook captured. Here, boom! Rook captured sacrifice. Check. So check here. So if we captured rook sacrifice and continue by push pawns. So it means unstoppable the promotes the queens. So wins for white by Jennifer Yu. So wins for white. So back there, this one is rook h4 bad move by Jennifer Yu. And rook d3 check. And also king e2. And also bishop f5. And rook g7, another bad move by Yu. So the best moves this one is rook to h5. So rook h5 here. So these are the continuations. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So it means the back there, this one is rook g7 with Jennifer Yu because these are the upcoming that threats the pawns here. And also rook d4 attacks the pawns, rook captured pawns, and also rook h5, king f6, and also rook to g7 sacrifice. Oh, another. Oh, no. So it means so no sacrifice because the pawns defense here by rooks. And decided this one rook captured pawns. So it means so three pawns the rows and two pawns by you. So three versus two. And also rook g8 check and rook a2 check, king e1, rook e1 check, king e2, and also the three repetition draw. So draw. Three repetitions draw. So not bad. So okay, it's okay. Okay, draw from this one. So the score by this one, the score by Jennifer Yu is 91.4 by currency, and the score by currency by Rose Atwell is 91.6. So highest, so win Rose Atwell. So I thought Jennifer Yu wins. So in the next round number 6, so between by PD Master Megan Paragua, so the cousin by Mark Paragua and the mother of Paragonics. So Roderick Navas said, and versus by my favorite players, woman Grandmaster Jennifer Yu. I thought Jennifer Yu wins of this round. So I thought that this. I'm sorry. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of these next chess updates. Happy Sunday. Bye bye.